iBio stock. iBio stock price almost double within 1 week. So, is iBio stock a buy? Subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming investing videos. Number 1. It was founded in 1993 in New York. And it has about 50 employees. It is a biologics company developing therapeutics and vaccines. So let's have a quick look at the iBio stock performance real quick. So as of yesterday, the 22nd of July 2020, the stock price is at about $5.39. 1 week ago, the stock price was at $3.12. And 1 month ago, the stock price was at $1.42. Half year ago, the stock price was at 28 cents. And 1 year ago, the stock price was at 71 cents. So you would literally almost 8 times your investment if you invest in it like 1 year ago. 5 years ago, the stock price was at $7. As you can see, there was a steady decline up to February 2020. So let's look back real quick. So on July 2019, the stock price was at 71 cents. Up to January 2020, it was 29 cents. So before this world crisis. So during that time, the stock price lost in value more than 50%, which means if you invested in it during this period, you would lose more than 50% of your investment. The market capitalization is $646 million, so it is considered as a small cap. I have an online course investing for beginners. The first 100 buyers get a discount. You can grab the discount code in the video description below after watching this video. So let's have a quick look at their annual report real quick of the iBio stock. So this annual report has 113 pages. It took me a while to find this information. Just click the like button so that you know that you like it. So they had a loss of, last year 2019, they had a loss of about $18 million. 2 years ago, in 2018, they had a loss of about $16 million. A quick look at their earnings report of the iBio stock. So in the first quarter 2020, which means the first 3 months of this year, January, February, and March, they had a loss of about $5 million. Check out the investing playlist in the video description below. Besides, also check out the online course in the video description below with the discount code. And subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Investing videos. Invest at your own risk. Happy investing and see you next time.